Hi, my name is Roshan and I'm presenting How Do Dinosaurs Count to 10 by Jane Yolen and Mark Teague, with permission from Scholastic. Dinosaur counting starts with 1. One tattered teddy bear, just for fun. 2 big balloons, tied to the bed. 3 toy trucks, painted blue, green, and red. 4 balls that bounce. 5 big letter blocks. And under the bed, 6 dirty socks. A track, an engine, and 7 cars. An easel with 8 full paint jars. 9 pictures hanging on the wall. Ten books to read, and that is all. Now that he's counted from 1 to 10, how does a dinosaur count again? Again!